Hello all, welcome to Awesome Style. This is once again Awesome Style with a new video. Hope you all enjoy my videos. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Please try to press the bell button after you subscribe to my channel to get an instant notification. This is very creative artwork. This video is about a painting. I did this painting along with my little artist here. For this painting, we are going to use leaves. This is a fall leaves painting. It's loading here. First, we are going to take a canvas board, then take a black acrylic paint. Here we're squeezing it and we're going to first color all the board with the black color of acrylic. While doing the black on the canvas board, it will be me and my little artist who are helping me with this. You can use brush or sponge type brush with a bamboo stick or any type of brush, whichever you're comfortable. I'm using this and you can see how we are doing it, and by using this type of brush it will be done very quickly. This way me or my little artist will be doing all over the board and will be finishing up full black on the canvas. So keep watching. See this little hands working together with me? It's so beautiful to see them, and they're very excited for this painting. As now we are towards the end of the black, once we are done, we'll keep it for some time to get it dry before we start the next step. These are the colors which I am going to use for the painting. Now, as the board is dry, we'll take a disposable plate or whichever. Then we're going to drop some colors like red, orange, yellow. Take any leaves whichever you like. I'm taking this one as it has a lot of lines and it's going to give a beautiful sketch on the board. Brush the colors on the other side of the leaves where the lines you see, as the main painting is in regards to the back side of the print which we are going to use of the leaf. Now take the leaf and turn upside down. Press it all over using your thumb. Wow! Keep repeating the steps by applying more color on the leaf and put it all over the board. Here my little artist is also going to paint the leaf and give me. I'm going to stamp it on the upside down. So keep watching. Every time you can use a different leaf and different color. Here I'm going to add some violet color and a different leaf, as you see. It's going to be super beautiful, the way the different colors of the leaves and acrylic paints, and see how the artists are helping me here. It's very superb and very excitement to do this project of the artwork. This way we are going to keep doing it, repeating the steps and finishing up all over the board. Let's put it upside down and see how does it look. Press it so that it would be giving you a good print. And I forgot to tell you, use the gloves to be on the safe side to keep your hands clean. Now this is the another type of leaf which my artist did for me. This way I'm going to keep using a different types of leaves which my artist will be painting and giving me, and just putting upside down and keep doing it till we finish our boat. This is a small cute leaf and it's very beautiful. Painting is a good therapy of relaxation, fun and excitement. Making art projects with the kids and artists all around you is also a good excitement. You can do this type of artwork when it's a summer break or winter holidays. Doing a art project with the natural leaves, it's really super beautiful. Don't skip, please. Friends, please do subscribe to Awesome Style if you have not subscribed yet. Look how beautiful the view of this painting has come out. As I'm moving the camera all around and very closely, you can see how the different colors have mixed and giving a good shade from the black and the base. And wherever the spaces, I'm just trying to patch a leaf again back onto it. Please do like, comment, share. You all can make this type of painting. Whenever you have a leisure time, try it out. Sometimes only using one color on the leaf and just pressing up and down also looks super good. So see, I'm here using only yellow. Wow, see, beautiful, amazing. This way, there are a few more minutes. We are going to finish this painting and hang it on the wall. Please give a big thumbs up, everyone. Here I'm going to zoom it out for you all to see the leaves which we used and all the colors. It's very creative and amazing too. Let it dry for some time before you hang it on the wall. Give it a try. So friends who are really a good artist or not, they can make this. Thank you all for watching.